Alright, what's up everybody? Just did the first box in the 4-boxer that was totally certified. Up next we'll do the retro mini box. Retro, it's all college uniforms, so for the player, whatever team played the most games with, that's where the cards go. You can consult with NFL.com if need be, if it's not an obvious one. Three autographs for the mini box. Alright, good luck everybody. Alright, good luck everybody. Earl Campbell, Roger Craig. Call him if I know him, and I could be wrong, so correct me if you need to. Campbell will be going to the Titans, Roger Craig will be going to the Niners. Michael Agnew for the Dolphins. Cyrus Gray for the Chiefs. Steve Young for the Bucks. Just joking. Steve Young will go to the Niners. Second pack. Roger Staubach, Cowboys. Harrison Smith for the Vikings. Michael James for the Niners. Harrison Smith is not numbered. Ken Stabler for the Raiders. Isaiah Peed for the Rams. It's pack 3. Charles White. I want to say that's the Rams for some reason. I'll need to double check that though. Eric Page. He ends up going to the Broncos. Technically, they got him undrafted. I don't think he made the roster though or something. But he'll go to the Broncos. Tony Dorsett, Cowboys. Matt Khalil for the Vikings. Justin Blackman for the Jags. Teebs will actually go to the Jets for the year of the product. Kendall Reyes, Chargers. Mike Rozier. I'll have to random off Mike Rozier. He didn't make it to the league due to injury. Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks. Dontari Poe for the Chiefs. Roger Craig again, Niners. PMG, red. Be Case Keenum, I believe. Who's Case? The Texans, I believe. Red PMG, number 8 of 100. Case Keenum, rookie red PMG. Nice. Archie Griffin. Can't remember. Russell Wilson, Seahawks. Dan Fouts, Chargers. Drew Brees for the Saints. First auto is, I don't know. For the Colts, Dwayne Allen. It's our first auto from Retro. Dwayne Allen Auto Graphics. Kind of missed the sticker there a little bit. But first hit going to the Colts. Kendall Reyes, Chargers. Brock Osweiler for the Broncos. Rich Gannon. Who's Gannon go to? Raiders, I think. Ken McAfee. I can't remember where he goes. Case Keenum again. It's going to be our second auto. Case Keenum. I believe that's for the Texans. And that bad boy is not numbered. Hope you're a Case Keenum fan. Dre Kirkpatrick for the Bengals. Roger Craig again for the Niners. And Kellen Moore for the Lions. Archie Griffin again. Oh, might be nice. Hopefully that's not the card. It is the card. Oh, that sucks. I think that's going to be somebody good too. We'll save that for the back of the pack. Tannehill, base, Dolphins. Daryl LaMonica. Man, I can't remember him either. Raiders. Devin Wiley, Chiefs. There's Archie Griffin, and I think this is a good one. Good luck, everybody. There is a little bit of damage to the card already, it looks like. Well, the upper corner too, but good luck. That's a Badger. It's Mr. Wilson. Blue Russell Wilson, PMG. Sadly, there's a little bit of imperfections up around the lettering on the PMG, and then also that corner. That sucks. 48 of 50. Not focusing, but that's number 48 of 50. Seahawks, let me know if you need an invoice or something if you want to send that in. Because, yeah, this is a good card. Blue PMG, Russell Wilson. It's pretty sick. So let me know if you need a receipt if you want to send that into Upper Deck. I'm not sure how they do on their damaged cards. I would think they would take care of it, though. This guy. And our third auto. Wasn't expecting that. Packers sold kind of high on this one too. Made it worthwhile. Bart Starr is our third auto from the Retro Mini Box. Not numbered on the Bart Starr. Congrats on that. Bart Starr Autographics Skybox Throwback. Earl Campbell Titans. Michael Brockers Rams. And Michael Floyd Cardinals. Final pack of Retro. It's a nice little mini box. Anthony Carter, Vikings, I believe. Ronnie Hillman, Broncos. Johnny Latner, should know that, but I don't. Dan Herron, Bengals. And Joe Theismann for the Skins. So that, ladies and gentlemen, was the Retro Mini Box, which was box number 2 of the break. Start a new video.